Catherine, Jenny. Come on up here, Catherine. Intern of the Year Award. The Career and Civic Engagement 2011 Intern of the Year Award is Catherine Jenny. Catherine is a graduating science communications senior, originally from Greenville, South Carolina. She is part of the Honors Association and currently the Science and Technology Editor for the Johnsonian. Catherine completed her academic internship in fall 2011 with the Messenger Center here in Rock Hill that offers broad-based, long-term recovery services for all ages, genders, races, and their families, and significant others who struggle with a variety of everyday problems. In her application for this award, Catherine discusses the impact of her internship, quoting, "My internship involved much more creativity and independence than I had originally expected." Going on to describe her internship experience as a very important mission and an experience that was not just about accumulating hours. It became a mission to help an organization that was helping so many people. Catherine's supervisor, Mary Anthony, describes Catherine as, quote, "a breath of fresh air to have as an intern. She came equipped to perform tasks at hand and gave of her talents and gifts to help our center in various ways."